Hey everybody, welcome back to chemistry. If I can increase the slide. So this question reads as follows. Select all compounds with at least one polar bond. So if I can lower the slide. Okay, so I think it may be helpful if I draw some Lewis structures for each of these molecules. And so the first molecule is a molecule called propane. So its formula is CH3 CH2, CH3. And the molecule looks like this. Okay, so the next molecule is carbon tetrachloride. So let me draw a picture of that. Okay, the next molecule is oxygen. So let me draw that. Okay, and the final molecule is carbon dioxide. Okay, so what I've done is I've drawn correct Lewis structures for all the molecules you're considering, and you have to figure out if for a molecule, does it have a polar bond or not? So one way you can judge the polarity of the bond is just by evaluating the difference of electronegativity of the atoms in the bond. And so let me remind you of something. So when you have a difference of electronegativity from 0 all the way up to 0.4, most textbooks consider this to be a nonpolar covalent bond. If you have a difference of electronegativity from 0.5 up to 2.0, most textbooks consider that to be a polar covalent bond. And then finally, if you have a difference of electronegativity that's greater than 2.0, then it's considered to be an ionic bond. Okay, so let me just give you some electronegativities of these atoms and these molecules. Hydrogen has an electronegativity of 2.1, carbon 2.5, and this molecule here, carbon is 2.5, chlorine is 3.0, oxygen is 3.5, and then here carbon and carbon dioxide is 2.5 and oxygen and carbon dioxide is 3.5. So you can sort of work out now what the difference of electronegativity is between the atoms in a bond, but let me just kind of make a point. Focusing here on propane, carbon has electronegativity of 2.5. Now it's bonded to another carbon which has the same electronegativity of 2.5. So you can see that the difference of electronegativity of this bond between these two carbon atoms is going to be 0. So that's clearly a nonpolar bond. The carbon-hydrogen bond, carbon is 2.5, hydrogen is 2.1. It's a difference of electronegativity of 0.4. Most chemists consider that to be a nonpolar bond, although some chemists may not. So I would say Achieve expects you to think that this molecule here of propane has no polar bonds. And I'm going to let you work out the rest. Okay, thank you for listening. We'll see you next time.